Hey everyone, welcome to Wellstar Reviews. My name is Rebecca and today I'll be reviewing the Loftie Clock. The reason I wanted to get a digital alarm clock was because first and foremost, I had been noticing how much time I was spending on my phone before bed, but also in the morning when I first got up. And so I'm in a time in my life where I'm really trying to be intentional, and I have a child now. And so I just want each day to, even if I make micro changes, I want it to be healthy. I want it to be good. And so I just noticed as I was spending so much time on my phone, I have the opportunity to actually leave my phone downstairs. All I need is a clock and an alarm to really help me when I'm upstairs if I need to get up or if I need to see the time in the middle of the night. And so it's actually been so freeing. And little did I know I would get so much more with this alarm clock than just the time and an alarm in the morning. So one thing that I love about the Loftie Clock is that, as you can see, and it might be a little dim, the time can actually be read. And so this is something that they changed. This is what I love about this company. They changed this after they had feedback from their customers that they wanted red light. So it can still be your normal white light, and I have had that before, but I really don't mind it having red throughout the day, which is actually so good because it keeps you in tune with your circadian rhythm if you wake up in the middle of the night. So that is a little tidbit that I just think is so cool that the company listened to the feedback from their customers and then implemented the feedback. With that too, on top you can see here we have kind of like a power button, the off button, then you have to go back and forth, and then this big button you can turn on the light, which is another great feature of this clock. There is an app, and I will scroll through the app and show you the different features that you can do, but you can change the settings of the light so it can be a little lighter, a little darker. And what I love about that is because oftentimes I am actually very picky with my light at night. I do not like bright lights. I like them low. I like them to get me ready for sleep. And this can be really, really low. I think even lower than a lamp. I have a lamp, but I don't even use it anymore. I just turn on this little light and then it's so easy to turn off before bed. Okay, so I brought the clock back to the white light so that you could see it a little better. Initially, when you get the Loftie Clock, you will need the app to set it up. The app is really user-friendly, and it's actually nice because you can just kind of scroll through, test things out, try it. But you can also obviously do so many things on the clock itself. On the top, you just click to the right, and there you'll see where you can set up any alarms. You can repeat these alarms. Then you have sounds, and then you have playlists, different playlists, Loftie Plus, Bluetooth, and settings. So, and then it'll just keep scrolling through if you continue to click that. But then on top, to get back to the time, you just click the big button. I mainly use the app though. I don't often use the clock itself. Like I said, it's possible and that's great, but the app is super easy.
Okay, so I am going to show you the app. Here is the home page. Then if I click on my device, which I did name Zofty because why not, you will see that there is the settings for the light, settings for the sound, red mode, sleep timer, device info, set the time zone. They've really thought of everything here. So then if I go back to the home page from here, you'll see that I can set an alarm. So I could even click on new alarm. I can click on what time I want, the day, one time alarm. I put it to my device, save it, and it is all set. I also then can go over and even set or turn on a bed signal, which will just signal me, hey, it's time for bed. I can turn that on and it'll go off and get me ready for bed at 10 p.m. Then from there, if you click on the music note, you will see that there's different sounds from all the different colors of noise to, woods to storm. Then if you go to playlists, it'll play different playlists from all that you can see here, which is so cool. Then you have Story Maker, which I thought was such a cool addition. Calming stories and kids' favorites, even, and pets and seasonal. And then in more, you're going to go to long stories. There's audiobooks, short stories, even poems. Like, how amazing is that? They've really thought of everything. Then if I click on the little person, this is just more of the settings behind the scenes for my device, my account, Loftie Plus, if I want to upgrade to that, which is also really cool. But if I just go home, here's the home page, and if I got a lamp, I can add that all in one place, all through the same app. So it's very easy and so cool to use.
Just know that they've put the time and the intentionality behind this, and I would recommend this clock. It's sleek, it looks really nice, it has a lot of features that are great, like the sounds that you can use while you're sleeping, the red light, or all the different alarms, how you can repeat it, how they have an app and it's user friendly. Before I even go upstairs, I'll use my app, turn on the little light before I go up, leave my phone down, and then when I'm ready to go to bed, I just turn off the light. Okay, so I have an alarm set for 1 minute from now, which I love that you can set to your alarm and then see it. There have been so many times where I've questioned, is my alarm set? Will it go off? You will see right down here in the corner what time your alarm is set for. And then I picked the sounds that are coming. So the light turns on, I've picked this sound. And then to turn off the sound, I can click the big button, and then to completely turn off the alarm, I actually click this little small button, and there you go. The alarm is done. So maybe you're like me and you have been looking for a smart clock that'll help aid in better sleep without all the distractions. Well, look no further, because you can purchase the Loftie Clock today by clicking on the link below. Sleep is so important, so don't allow things to get in the way of that time. This clock has truly helped me at night to just feel at peace, allowed me to reflect on my day and go to sleep in such a way that is restful when I get up in the morning and I am ready for another day. So be like me and be a Loftie Clock owner by purchasing it in the link below, and I'll see you on the next review.